Hello traders, what's going on? In the previous 5 lectures, you have learned about the basic term of technical analysis. And from this lecture 1 and the next couple of lectures, you will learn about the chart analysis. So in this lecture today, I will be talking to you about the formation and basic characteristics of chart pattern on a price action based technical analysis. So let's begin. Chart pattern is a shape within a price that helps to suggest what price might do you next, based on what you have done in the past. Chart pattern are the basis of technical analysis and require you to know exactly what you are looking at and as well as what you are looking for. In the chart patterns, the ultimate goal that lead you to trading opportunities. These patterns are powerful tools for performing technical analysis because they represent raw price action and help to feel the mood and sentiment of the market. It can be used to analyze all market including stock, forex, share, commodities and more. So chart patterns are graphical patterns that are formed regularly on a price histories over all unit of time. There are two main categories of chart patterns: continuation patterns and reversal patterns. Continuation patterns indicate a continuation of the current trend. These are known as a consolidation pattern because it shows how buyers and sellers take a quick break before moving further in the same direction, while reversal pattern indicate a future trend reversal, which usually occur after a major movement in the price of a stock or the entire market, in an indication that you should adjust your position to take advantage of the upcoming change in the market direction. You can make it possible to determine entry points and also set price objectives. Chart pattern often form shape, which can help predetermine price breakout and reversals. You know that it will help you gain a competitive advantage in the market, and using them will increase the value of your future technical analysis. You know that chart patterns are one of the most powerful tools you can use in your trading. While you read the market conditions accurately, then you can trigger buy or sell in the market and find high probability trading opportunities. So not more today. Have a nice day. Goodbye.